Nothing happens until we take action. That's what I'm talking about today in the video. Now, I see many people, many clients who come to me and they're stuck in their journey of life because they don't know what they want. I ask these people what they want from life. And their response is, I don't want to be unhappy anymore. I don't want to be lonely anymore. I don't want to live alone anymore. I don't want to have money worries anymore. I don't want to live in a small house anymore. I don't want to be sad. And it hit me. They know what they don't want. However, they're living in fear and desperation. But they can't define what they want. On the other hand, there's those people who go on to achieve success in their life. Setting up small businesses, being financially independent, being in a loving relationship. Whatever it is that they wanted, they knew what they wanted in considerable detail before they began taking the appropriate action to achieve it. So, my question to you is, do you know where you're going? Do you know what you want? Because if you know what you want, you're on the right road. Don't think about what you don't want. Because do you know what? Where focus goes, attention goes. Speak to you on my next video. Love your thoughts. Love to hear your thoughts on this. Bye.